Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this rechargeable bike light for night riding, front and back, with 1200 lumen from VASTFIRE, with 5 lighting modes for the front light and 4 lighting modes for the rear light. Display the battery percentage and power bank to charge your smartphone. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Install it to my bike and check the brightness at the night. Wow! Great design! I like it! Included we have the adapter for GoPro. You can mount the adapter at the light. Just slide and it locks. And then add the action camera, so you will have only one mount. Press this button, unlock. The same and for this mount. Slide and it locks. Aluminium material at the bracket. I like it. Just unscrew that, install it at the bike and then screw back. I will show you of course. Aluminium durable housing with great design, I can say. Press again this button and remove the light. So easy. You don't have to worry maybe someone will steal your light, because it is so easy to remove the light from the mount. I like it, the design, it is amazing. VASTFIRE VAB01, it is the model. With anti-glare lens and side light, here and here. 3 LED lights at the front. It is waterproof IPX6, you can use it in any weather. The weight it is 0.2 kg with a 5600 mAh lithium battery. Enough to charge your smartphone. Yep, you can use it and as a power bank. With the included cable, you can charge the light. We have the Type-C port here. I will use my power bank. You can use other power bank or a 5-volt power adapter. We can see the digital battery display shows the remaining battery percentage and is charging. Or if you want, you can charge, as I mentioned, your smartphone. You can use this cable or use the cable from your smartphone. Charging. I like it. It is not a fast charging, but at the right moment it will give you enough power to turn on your smartphone, charge it and do whatever you want. Not even a smartphone, you can charge on other devices. Any device with a 5-volt input. Silicone rubber at the back, prevent any water to go inside at the ports and damage this unit. The battery, it can last 18 hours, depending of course the light mode or if you charge your smartphone. We have 2 buttons here. Now let's turn it on, pressing the first button. This is the highest beam. The lowest is lowering the light beam, is lowering more, flashing slow, and this is the SOS mode. And we can see the button has a background light, so you will know which button it is on. And the back, high beam again. This is the warm light, and we can see we have a green light at the button. Is lowering the beam, middle, low, flashing slow, and the SOS mode. And off. Turning on the cool white, or if you want, the warm white. So fast. And you can choose one of the 5 modes. It doesn't matter if it is the cool white or the warm white, the modes are the same. Press and hold, it will switch off. Nice, I like it. And let's move on. At the rear light we have the micro USB cable. There's the port. Plug in. And you can charge it. We can see the LED indicator is charging. Here we have 4 modes. There's the button, on, flashing, fast. I like it. And we can see in this pattern light. And off. Of course, at the night we will check better the brightness. And adjustable, up and down, silicone rubber, it can fit at the seat pole. I will show you. Just pull this plastic at the back and you can release the light. So you can have the light at your home, charge it, or just remove it if you are afraid maybe someone will steal your light. And again, just slide and it will lock. It doesn't go anywhere. So I think the next step is install it to my bike and ride my bike at the night to check the brightness. Brightness is so high, I feel safe riding my bike at the night, even at this dark alley. Anyone will see me, cars, motorcycles, pedestrians or other bikers. Change between brightness modes is very easy. And no worries if the battery of your smartphone is dead. You have the bike light with integrated power bank. My whole experience riding my bike with these lights at the night for 10 days now, it is very positive. So if you want to find out more about this product and where you can buy it, you can check down below at the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.